I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to get a refund for a cancelled order on Amazon, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by signing into your Amazon account on the website or app. This is where you allow manage your orders and refunds. Step 2. Go to your orders. Once logged in, navigate to your orders section. This is where you can find all your recent purchases and their statuses. Step 3. Find the cancelled order. Scroll through your order history to locate the cancelled order. If it is not visible, check the cancelled orders filter for easier access. Step 4. Request a refund. Click on the order to view its details. If eligible, you will see an option to request a refund. Follow the prompts to complete the request. Step 5. Check your refund status. After submitting your refund request, keep an eye on your email for confirmation. You can also check the status in your orders section. Sometimes refunds can take a few days to process, so be patient. If you don't see the refund after a week, you might want to reach out to customer service for assistance. I hope this helps you navigate the refund process easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.